In this video, I want to talk about how you can reset your paper trading account inside of Webull. Now to do this, you want to make sure that you have an opened account and you have a paper trading account. And since there's no reset button, what we need to do is we need to terminate our paper trading account and then just quickly make a new one. So to do this, you want to open up the app and go into menu, click on your paper trading, and inside of there will be a settings button or manage account or something like that. You want to click on that and then you want to close or delete the account. Once you've done this and it's completely removed, then you just want to open up a new one and you should now start with the new balance and no trades from on this one. So that is basically how that works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.